Court of Appeal confirms post-Brexit spouses unprotected by withdrawal agreement. In a recent landmark ruling, the Court of Appeal confirmed that post-Brexit spouses married to EU nationals in the UK after December 31, 2020, are not protected under the EU settlement scheme unless they had previously applied for or obtained an EEA residence card or family permit as their durable partner. Let's dive into the details of the case. Case background. Mr. Selic, who was in the UK unlawfully, married a Romanian national, Ms. Ibram, in March 2021 after their initial plans were disrupted by COVID-19 restrictions. Following the marriage, Mr. Selic applied for leave to remain under the EU settlement scheme. However, the Home Office rejected his application, citing the requirement to be Ms. Ibram's spouse or durable partner before December 31, 2020, the end of the Brexit transition period. The court's decision. The Court of Appeal agreed with the upper tribunal's decision, stating that the withdrawal agreement grants rights of residence to two categories of people: those who were family members of EU nationals by the end of the transition period, and extended family members whose residence was facilitated by the UK or applied for before the end of the transition period. Unfortunately, Mr. Selic didn't fall into either category, as he hadn't applied for a relevant document under the Immigration, European Economic Area, Regulations 2016. Discrimination and fairness. Mr. Selic argued that Appendix EU, allowing durable partners of relevant persons of Northern Ireland to apply without a relevant document, discriminated against partners of EU nationals from other countries. The court rejected this argument, explaining that the two groups were not in materially analogous positions due to different arrangements in place before the transition period's end. Mr. Selic also argued that COVID-19 affected his ability to marry earlier and, therefore, the Home Office should treat him as if he had been married before the transition period. The court disagreed, emphasizing that there is no legal entitlement to a substantively fair outcome. EU Settlement Scheme Application versus Residence Card Application. The court refused to consider an argument regarding Mr. Selic's earlier EU Settlement Scheme application as a durable partner, suggesting it was too late to raise the issue now. However, it clarified that future cases might raise successful arguments, similar to previous cases, where EU Settlement Scheme applications were treated as residence card applications. In conclusion, with the Court of Appeal's decision, many appeals on this issue will likely be dismissed unless taken to the Supreme Court. Post-Brexit spouses without leave to remain may have to explore other options, such as human rights claims or seeking legal advice to navigate the complex immigration landscape. Stay informed and seek professional guidance for the best possible outcome. It is crucial to understand that the tips and information provided here are for educational purposes only. They are based on thorough research and real-world experiences, but they should not be considered legal advice or representation. Immigration laws and regulations can be complex and subject to change, and individual circumstances may vary widely. If you find yourself in need of specific and personalized immigration guidance, we strongly recommend seeking assistance from a qualified advisor who is accredited by the Office of the Immigration Services Commissioner, OISC. An OISC qualified advisor possesses the expertise and knowledge to provide you with accurate and up-to-date advice tailored to your unique situation. Remember, immigration matters can have significant implications for your future, and making informed decisions is of utmost importance. So, if you require further assistance or have any doubts, don't hesitate to consult with an OISC qualified advisor. Your peace of mind and confidence in the immigration process matter, and seeking professional guidance will ensure that you navigate this journey with clarity and certainty. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this information helps you, and if you're interested in more details or further guidance, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to provide more updates. Remember to show your support by liking the video and sharing it with others who might benefit. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you for watching.